wealth. Okay, so the very first savings account on our list is Varo. Now, Varo will pay you 0.2 up to 3% APY on your money, and how much you earn depends on meeting a few qualifications. So to earn the 3%, you have to have 5 qualifying debit card transactions using your Varo debit card. You also need qualifying direct deposits of at least $1,000 or more into your account, and your daily savings cannot exceed $5,000. Now, there's a lot of reasons why I love Varo. They are FDIC insured. There's no hidden fees, there's no minimums, there's no foreign transaction fees. There's also no fees on over 55,000 ATM locations. You can earn up to 15% cash back on in-app purchases, and they also have some really useful tools like Save Your Pay and Save Your Cash. So with the Save Your Pay tool, you determine a certain amount of money or percentage that you want to save from your paycheck. The app will automatically transfer that percentage to your savings account. The Save Your Change tool works very similar. Every purchase that you make, the app will round up to the nearest dollar and will transfer that change into your savings account.